Hi everyone, welcome back to MKLAV YouTube channel. I'm Emily, I'm one of the MKLAV co-founder. Today I'm gonna be doing another quick fashion sketch for exercise. Previously, I've done the outline with a drawing pen and then I did one with a colored pencil. Well, today I'm gonna try using ink. I never done this before, so let's see how it's gonna turn out. I know many artists use ink as their media, but I never use it as part of my fashion illustration, only for calligraphy purposes. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. I'm using marker paper, not only because I'm using markers, but because it has a super smooth surface, which I think it would work great for the nib that I'm going to use for this exercise. So let's see, because I never used it before. So for today's sketch, it will be based on Christian Dior Spring Summer 2021. I usually check out the latest runway looks from Vogue Runway. So let's start with the sketch. So I have chosen the color for this exercise. Starting out with the poses, trying to capture the movement. Next, the shape of the clothes. Check the proportion in relation to the body and add some shades for the folds. I'm gonna use a blender because it has this tie-dye effect on this clothes, so I think it will be cool if I use blender here. I think it would just have a nice bleed, have that tie-dye effect. I know this is like a quick sketch, so I couldn't really get it exactly, but at least just try to get the feel of it. It's the looseness of the clothes, kind of like a big silhouette of this outer. Okay, so I think I got this one done. So this is just a base drawing. I'm gonna go over with the ink to give the outline for this. I'm a bit nervous using this ink because I never used ink before. If you're wondering why I have a sheet of paper underneath, just for me to kind of try it out before, because I want to know the thickness of this. Okay, so let's do this. So this is the next figure. Repeat the steps, lay down the poses. Let's draw the shape of the clothes. I have different color for this. Draw the shape of the clothes and don't forget to check the proportion. So the great thing about using a nib is you can control the thick and thin line even with one stroke. I'm using a thick line to emphasize depth and a thin line for a softer feel. So that's it for today's practice session, my practice session. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and also subscribe our videos. We're posting every Wednesday, so you can find new video every Wednesday. And if you don't like it, maybe you can also leave a comment why you don't like it so that we can improve our videos. Thank you everyone. Have fun sketching and don't forget to practice.